So this is the assembly and installation of the screen for the manual glass louver. When you open your box, you'll see you have a screen, you have a hardware kit that will contain your flashing, as well as all your fasteners, and the frame of the screen assembly itself. Now when you're cutting it open, just make sure you're not scratching the paint. There'll be your screen and also a little instruction page. You can put the screen off to one side for now. We'll assemble the frame first. So you'll notice on the top and the bottom, one side has flanges on all 4 sides, and the other piece has it only on 3 sides. 3 sides, this is your bottom. This piece here is for the top. This flashing component right here, it has a flange that points inwards and another flange that points outwards. This piece here will be towards the glass or the greenhouse itself. This part here will be away from the greenhouse. So when you're laying out the pieces for the screen itself or the screen frame, you'll notice that they all have a hole in one flange or other. These holes will be used to actually attach the screen to the frame, so you'll want to make sure they're all orientated in the same direction. In this case, I'm going to have them all facing up, and then we can put the screen together from there. Each corner will use 2 of these nuts, bolts, and washers. So that's a number 2 Robertson head on the bolt, and then you just need an 11/32 wrench for the nut itself. So once you have 3 sides of your frame fully assembled, I find it's easier to just take the screen, insert it into position, and then put the 4th side into place. Okay, so once you have the entire frame assembled, you can lift up the screen, and you'll see your package would have come with these 4 little screws, and these will be used to just screw the screen frame to the screen itself. And there's your louver screen. Now let's move on to the installation. You'll see we've had to remove the caps from either side of the louver itself. And if you'll recall, on the louver, there was a top and a bottom. Top has this extra flange. The bottom does not have a flange. You just rest the screen, balance the screen on the louver itself. Make sure you're centered. So this is actually really handy to have an extra person here to hold it and while you put your caps back on. Thanks, Raph. And once you have your caps back in place, your screen will be held down by those.